Very good morning, students.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we are going to discuss about design thinking based case study. Okay, so first you have to understand what is meant by design thinking. Okay, so design thinking is nothing but it is a user centric approach. We have to concentrate on user needs and user pain points. Okay, so here in design thinking we have a 5 stages. Anyone tell me what are the 5 stages?
Empathy, emphasize, define, ideate, prototype, and test.
Good. So first one is the empathy. Before going to that, the case study is okay. The case study is patient bedside alarm system using logic gates. Okay. So this is the case study we taken today. So for that we have to understand the empathy. That is the first stage. Okay. Yes. Anyone tell me what is the empathy of this case study?
We all are familiar about 5 stages of design thinking. First stage is empathy. Empathy is nothing but understanding the user's problem. On the topic of our case study, what we understand from the users, the nurse cannot continuously monitoring all patients at the same time. So sometimes the patient need to when the emergency the nurse cannot contact. So the patient needs to high heart rate and the temperature suddenly high.
Abnormal
So,
heart rate.
Yes. So this is the empathy part of the
Case study.
of our case studies.
Good. So Jayadarshini give empathy part of the case study. Mainly we have to focus on continuous monitoring of the patient and also abnormal heart rate and temperature. The health vital signs are temperature and heart rate. Okay, we have to monitor through the sensors. Okay, so for that we are going to develop a system through design thinking concept. Yes. So till now we discussed about empathy part. Now we are going to next stage, that is define. Here we have to define this is the problem statement is faced by the customer. Yes.
So moving on to the second stage of DT, which is defining the problem, we can understand that the nurse can't monitor the patient 24/7. So in order to solve that problem, what we are planning to do is that to create a bedside alarm system which would give an alarm when the patient's heart rate or the temperature goes abnormal, so that the nurse can come and give him or her and the attention and the proper treatment at the correct time, so that the life can be saved.
Good. So next one is the ideation. So in ideation, what we have to do? We have to collect all the possible ideas. What are the possible ideas to the problems? In that, we have to select best idea. Okay. Yes. What is the ideation here?
The ideations are combining the heart rate sensor plus temperature sensor using logic gates and using OR gate to activate the alarm system when the sensor detects any abnormal values, using a NOT gate to stays off the alarm system when both the sensor is indicates it is normal, and using a timer based sensor to continuously alert the patients, and using a LED display along with the buzzers.
Okay, good. So ideation of this case study is we can use a logic gate. So what is the logic gate here we are going to use means OR gate. Yes. Tell me about OR gate and what is the working of OR gate.
Yeah, while said using logic gate as OR gate, there are two components which are H and T, which is H is equal to 1 means the heart rate is abnormal, T is temperature is very high. When from this OR gate, when heart rate is abnormal and temperature also heavy, it will be buzzer which will off. So alternative, the logic gate will work as alternative. So we can sensor the patient is sensing some values.
So first you have to understand the working of OR gate. So here OR gate is used for the addition purpose, AND gate is used for the multiplication. So here we have two values. We can add two values. The values are heart rate sensor and then temperature sensor, H and T. Okay, so we can for two inputs we can give a four possible combination. That means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So in OR gate, when both input is low means we will get a low input. Okay, when any one of the heart rate or temperature both is any one at high means we can get a high output. So through that we can get a alarm system, buzzer system through the monitoring of the patient. Okay, so next is the results and the conclusion. Okay, yes.
So when the system is tested on a dummy patient, when the temperature rise, so the alarm bursts, and when the heart rate strikes, the alarm rang. So the nurses get the attention through audio and visual because of the system.
Yes, finally conclude this case study.
So, as a conclusion, for nurses, it helps to understand the problem and they can respond quickly. And it helps the hospital staffs to maintain a proper record about the patients. This made certain improvements in the hospital equipments also. It is used. It is combined with the oxygen level sensors using more gates, and the output linked to the central nurse dashboards and priority levels using AND OR gates.
So, thank you students. I hope you understand this case study through design thinking concept. Okay, so thank you all. Have a great day. Thank you.